Hey there, welcome to our YouTube Shorts. Are you interested in making a monthly income of $3,000 using AI tools? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore how you can leverage the power of AI tools to earn a steady income. Step 1. Choose the right AI tools. First, select the AI tools that align with your skills and interests. TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikitlearn are popular choices for machine learning and data analysis tasks. IBM Watson and Amazon Rekognition are great for computer vision applications. Find the tools that suit your goals. Step 2. Develop your expertise. Invest time in learning and mastering these AI tools. Enroll in online courses, watch tutorials, and participate in AI communities. The more knowledgeable you become, the better you can utilize these tools to generate income. Step 3. Identify profitable opportunities. Next, identify areas where AI can bring value and profitability. Consider offering services such as AI-driven content creation, chatbot development, data analysis, or even AI consulting. Find the niche that matches your skills and target market demand. Step 4. Provide valuable services. Some text goes here. Offer your AI services to clients or businesses in need. Demonstrate the value and benefits that AI can bring to their operations. Show them how your expertise and AI tools can streamline processes, automate tasks, and improve their bottom line. Some text goes here. Step 5. Scale and expand. As you gain experience and success, scale your operations. Consider expanding your business by hiring a team, partnering with other professionals, or exploring new AI opportunities. This will help you increase your monthly earnings and achieve your $3,000 goal.